Good morning, everybody. It is Tuesday, March 17th. Today is on an upswing, and we're going to talk about cryptocurrencies. We are seeing a beautiful upswing across the board on every single cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is at $5,275.49. This is up 4.9%. We have Ethereum at $117.14, up 3.05%. Dash is at $45.30, up 3.5%. And Litecoin is at $34.87, up 4.6%, winning the day in the last 24 hours. Now, if you watched my previous video, we did go over some analysis of Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market. So again, I'm not a financial advisor, but this is a low point that we haven't seen in a very long time. Get on your opportunity, buy your Bitcoins, go to CoinCasso.com, start your account, start trading. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you got some value out of it. Please smash the like button, subscribe for more videos like this, and we will see you in the next one.